Shaggy,
Brother Biggie.
I think it's high time you started wearing clothes to the diary room.
Which kind of nonsense talk with that? It's close to the way. How that one they take the stories? Say I don't wear clothes, I wear clothes. I take the story. Oh, so this clothes I know they wear now, they turn you on. They turn you on, abi? If I say you don't get question, if you, I know, you know say I don't get time, I go they go now. I get plenty things I want to do. Oh yeah.
The housemates are complaining that you pollute the air without asking for excuse.
Then they complain say I police their hair. Shall be baba now I take police their hair. I see anybody here. Abi I see one dem make they be like they never see me mad before. One anybody wey dey this house so if I vex.
Brother Shaggy. Okay, let me come down to your level. I mean, they complain that you mess without excuse.
Where are the mess? Okay, so wetin concern them if I dey mess? So I no fit mess again. Say oh okay oh wait make I get you. I make no be like say I dey jump inside concussion. Say if I wan mess now, I go first go tell them okay hello excuse me I want to mess you. E be like all of una dey mouth together. Make I no vex me o. Make I no vex me o. Because oyinbo say what? A mess collateral, oh yeah, is a national phenomenon agency. Oh yeah. So I never even start. I never start to the mess. If I mess, so that one why I dey do that mess, I never mess. By the time that one na just a tip of your iceberg. You understand? By the time wey I mess, they go see my true color. I just dey bring bird out of the pocket.
Brother Shaggy, do you know you can be disqualified for this?
You see, they no born you well. Big brother, wallahi they no born you well. Na me talk am. Say I go out without my 45 million naira. Wallahi how long go born your certificate? Ọlọ́run.
Brother Shaggy.
Mo ń gbọ́.
Next time, don't mess in the house again.
Make I no mess in the house again next time. Oya make una go build toilet for mess then.
Please, when such happens again, just say sorry.
Okay. Sorry.